everyone, welcome back. Never used Lyft before and want to set up an account so you can book your first ride? Here's exactly how to create a Lyft account from scratch on your phone. Takes about 2 minutes. First, download and open the Lyft app from the App Store. Search for Lyft and tap Get. Open it and tap Create an account in the bottom of your screen. Then, enter your mobile number along with your correct country code. Then click Continue. After that, Lyft will send you a verification code. Enter the code to confirm your number once it arrives. Enter your first and last name and your email address. Tap Next. Create a password for your account. Use something at least 8 characters long. Tap Next. Lyft will now ask you to add a payment method. Tap Credit or Debit Card and enter your card number, expiry dates and CVV. Tap Next again. Your Lyft account will now be fully created. Before your first ride, tap this menu icon and check that your profile photo is set and your name is correct as well. Some drivers use your name and photo to confirm that they have the right passenger. Now you're ready to request your first Lyft ride. So all you've got to do is download Lyft, tap Create Account, enter phone, verify and fill your details and add your card. And that's it. Lyft account will be ready for your first ride.